planting a foxtail palm, and I've just filled this up halfway with ashes and charcoal.
And we live in Michigan, and
Yes.
you're planting a palm tree. Don't question his methods. Mix and mix and mix. So what are you doing, Valen?
I'm planting a foxtail palm. So far in the pot I have put a lot of grass clippings and some charcoal, and now I'm going to put the most decomposed parts of this mulch pile.
What kind of palm?
A foxtail palm.
I don't know if there's anything in there that's like decomposed because it's pretty new.
It's hot.
It's hot?
Yeah.
Ew. Oh, that's not bad. Let's see it.
It's still wood, but
Ew, it's moist.
it's very moist. Yum yum.
A little cocktail.
Yep. It was sent in this paper, which is nice, but inside there's a bunch of sphagnum moss surrounding the root. So I'm going to try to find where the root starts so that I don't plant it above so it doesn't rot. Or, sorry, plant it deeper inside. Yeah. Here's a root right here.
Oh yeah. Are you just gonna plant it in the pot or are you planting it in the ground?
Pot.
Oh, okay. What'd you just say? That's not the palm that's staying here?
No.
Oh.
This is a tropical palm. I
Okay.
have another palm coming that's sort of from the Himalayas area that I'm going to plant here permanently because apparently it's a zone 7, I think 7, somewhere between a 7B and a 6A or whatever, 6B, 7A, whatever it is. So it should survive our winters. I've seen lots of videos of people having them here in Michigan, leaving them. Sometimes they protect them, sometimes they don't, and it works. So, yeah.
Awesome. So that one you're taking home with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't get sucked in there. You should do a tour of your plants in California.
Maybe.
He has a lot of very, very cool plants in California in a very small space with almost no soil. So give us a like if you'd like a tour. I've been trying to talk him into doing this tour for a long time, so definitely give us those likes. Maybe it'll convince him. Right? Will you do it if we get a lot of likes?
Sure. I'm in a very strange position right now.
Oh, that's crazy.
What? It's raining.